Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So to do that, we should open notification panel first, and now if you want to add here some icons to remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here on this plus or edit icon. After that, let's scroll a little bit down, and now we can see here this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add some of them, just hold the icon and drag it here to this up section by this way. And if you want to remove some of them, by the same way, hold and drag it to the down section. And if you want to change the positions of some icons, just hold it and drag it here. And to save the changes, just click here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.